Hey folks, today I'm going to talk about our Mighty Mo 20 vertical cage manager. This comes in a variety of widths, 6-inch wide, 10 and 12, as long as 7 foot high, 8 foot high, black or white. With this is an accessory kit for bend limiting clips as well as spools for the back cage. Within the accessory kit you have many bend radius management accessories. However, today's purpose of the video is really about installation. There are two things I want to point out. One is this cage hanger. This is going to help you install your manager to your cage very easily. And secondly is this foot, very important. It clips underneath the manager. So after all my racks are aligned with the spacer bars and bolted to the floor, I can do my complete project of cabling, my wiring, my infrastructure. I can come back after that is done and then install my cage managers. From the accessory kit, I have these two cage hangers. I'm going to show you how to install these to make your life easy to install the vertical manager. Prior to doing this step, make sure your racks are already squared off, spaced properly using the spacer bars, and bolted to the ground. With the J-hooks in place, we'll now hang our cage manager. With my cage now in place with my cage hangers, I'm simply going to install with a 5/16 socket and an extension into 6 places on both sides. You'll notice the cutouts in the base of the manager and these tabs align with those cutouts. Now this comes in the accessory package and tends to get overlooked. This gets installed from the base of the VMD manager to the floor. It supports the weight of the manager for proper door operation. And the final step is to install your door onto the VMD manager. Now this is a dual pivoting door, extruded aluminum, with a hinge on both sides. For additional information, please reach out to the product specialist team.